6 top health benefits of apple cider vinegar no one told you about. Welcome to our Healthline Champions Solutions channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. If you're looking for practical tips, insightful information, and effective remedies to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. From natural remedies to lifestyle changes, we explore a wide range of topics to help you lead a healthier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos, packed with valuable health advice. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar that you may not know about. So grab a pen, because you'll want to take notes on this one. First up, apple cider vinegar can help lower blood sugar levels. Great news for those with diabetes or looking to improve their overall health. Not to mention, it may also aid in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness. ACV has antimicrobial properties that can help kill harmful bacteria and even improve your skin health. Plus, it's a natural way to freshen your breath. Move over, chewing gum. Some text goes here. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can also support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels? And if you struggle with digestion, ACV may be just what the doctor ordered. It can help promote gut health and alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. But wait, there's more. Apple cider vinegar has been linked to reducing inflammation in the body, which is key for overall wellness. And for those looking to enhance their hair's natural shine, rinsing with diluted ACV can do wonders. The benefits don't stop there. ACV is also packed with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. And last but certainly not least, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine might even improve your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. So if you haven't already, give apple cider vinegar a try and reap all these fantastic health benefits. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new and subscribe to Healthline Champions for more informative videos on how to live your healthiest life. Remember, your health is your wealth.